Hello everyone. Hello kids. So let me see who all have joined today. Okay. So for some reason I'm not able to see here. Let me just change the device. So we have uh that was quick. Uzair, the first one. Hello, Uzair. So just give me a sec before we really start that. Hi, Uzair. Hello, Arohi. Anya. Yes, Anya. Okay. Hi, Siddhi. How are you doing? Prince Satish. So Satish. Okay. Hi, Satish. For the first time here. Hi, Dwani. I was missing you. I was really missing you. I was trying to recall your name last listen. Where were you? Where were you? That's not good. You are here on and off. Like you join some days and then no. And yeah, okay. So, kids, before I really fix this chart, so today is a very special day, isn't it? It's a day when we get a chance, like a tiny chance, when we can't really do that, what our parents do. But it's the best time, lovely moments to wish your mothers a very happy Mother's Day, right? So I am Pooja Yadav, co-founder of Me and Math, and I wish all the mothers there a very happy Mother's Day. And kids, what you have to do now? You have to right away leave your seat, just rush to mom, hug her, kiss her, and come back. Oh, wish her Mother's Day. Even though you have wished her earlier, you're going to be going to hug her, kiss her, and say, Happy Mother's Day, Ma, and then come back to me, right? Got it? So I'm waiting for you. You just need to quickly rush to wish her. Quick. Let me see who goes first and comes back the fastest. Got it? So, okay. Satish, that was quick, really? So if Satish mom is there, now your turn. If he literally went and wished you, it's not like earlier, right now, right away. You just have to leave, hug her, kiss her, and say, Happy Mother's Day, Ma. That's so sweet. That's so sweet. That's so sweet, Dwani. Satish, Arohi. Very well done. And to all the mothers, you are like stronger than what you think, special than what you believe, and beautiful than how you look. Happy Mother's Day to all of you from Me and Math. Ah, that's so sweet, Uzair. That's so sweet. Okay, so I think that was our first thing and we have done, right? Today we're going to be starting with a very interesting brain activity. So what you all have to do, it would be a quick typing test, as well as I would also really see whether how, attentive you are. What's the mission of the... Wait, Siddhi? Okay, let people come. Let all the kids come. And before we really start, that's so sweet, Siddhi. So, Anya, where are you? Anya still with Ma, huh? With Mom. Okay, so before we really start, as I can see, we have 6 people. So, it would be a team of 3. If you can really invite your friends to be your team, hold you strongly, even you can just text me, ma'am, this is my friend, I want him to in my team or her to in my team, right? So so sweet of you, lots and lots of heart from my side as well. I mean, I literally wait for this Sunday throughout the days. I mean, even 24/7. How many of you really wait? True, honest answer. How many of you wait to sit with me? How many of you wait to sit with me? Anya? Anya? Is it like Anya has gone and mom is like, okay, you came here, eat something and then go. Moms are like that only, no? Anya, we are waiting for you. Alok, hello Alok, how are you? Me? Satish, you joined today. You were not there earlier. Okay, so I would only be able to see your love once you are, regular in the lesson. Correct? I can 100% say Siddhi is the one. Uzair, you are on and off. Anya is the one. The moment she joined, the day she joined, till this point, she's like, regular. So Arohi is the one. And these two people were capped in the second session, no? So, kids, let's divide the team. Yes, Siddhi, I know. Let's divide the team. And kids, before we really start, I'll give you 2 minutes to really make your team. And we're going to be starting. Anya, where are you, bacha? Where are you? We're waiting for you. So today's captains are Uzair, no doubt, and Arohi. Correct? Arohi and Uzair. So if I show you, okay, did I not welcome you? Dear teddy bears, welcome to Me and Math Live. Okay, so we're going to be having a very, 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 very quick brain activity here. Okay, let's start. So the captain. That's a sweet Alok. Ah, Anya, you back. We were about to really look for you. We were about to leave and look for you. Okay, so today's captains are Uzair, the captain of team A, and Arohi, using Mamta Rane's ID, is the captain of team B. So, dear captains, here is the crown for you, right? So, let's divide the team. So, who wants to go to Uzair's team? Okay, just type Uzair, I'll drop you in Uzair's team. Today, I won't be deciding the team members. You will take your captain. But make sure it should be half and half divided. It should be half and half divided. Alok, you could be the captain, but the rule of being captain is joining the first. First two people are the captain. Okay, so Uzair, now we have, as we can see, we have Anya. Anya, in which team do you want to go? Arohi's team or Uzair's team? Team A or team B? Be quick, 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 quick. And we have to learn a lot today. We wouldn't be talking. We are very chatty, I feel. We wouldn't be talking much, but we will learn. Okay? Uzair. Okay. Satish wants to go to Uzair's team. Okay, Satish. You here. Alok wants to go to... Alok? It's like Alok only? Or some other... The kid's name, the child's name is different. Okay. Arya's crazy world. Is it Arya in Uzair's team? I mean, kids should have the freedom to choose their captain, no? It's me every time, like, forcefully, okay, you're going to be in this team, you're going to be in that team. That's not nice every time. Satish, I've made you be there with Uzair. Uzair, you are growing. Your team is growing. Okay, Dhwani is there in Arohi's team. Now. And why don't you call your peers, your classmate to be joining the live stream? See what they're missing, no? And if you join, you will be a strong team, wouldn't you? Okay, now we still have a few people, we still have a few people left. Let me just, Siddhi, where do you want to go? Siddhi. Where do you want to go? And we have, I think pretty much that is it. हम लोगों ने divide कर ली team. Siddhi, we just want to know where do you want to go, which team you want to support today. Am I missing anyone? Aradhya, oh, fine. So, your name is Aradhya. Aradhya, you were there the last time as well. I could remember. I will come in Arohi's team. Siddhi wants to join Arohi's team. Okay, Siddhi, you are here. Okay, one more participant. My friend is coming. Uzair's friend is coming. See, he has started making the team. Okay, team. So, the moment Uzair, your friend comes, we will be making him or her join your team, right? Okay, Anya wants to join Arohi's team. I feel a little lagging is there. What you're going to be checking, if the red, the red bar that comes, it is to the very right corner. एक red bar आता है ना screen में, आप देखो कि वो very right corner में है, वो in between नहीं है. If it is at very right corner, that means we don't have any lagging kind of thing. Okay, so pretty much 4 people there. Oh, Uzair, you need 2 more. Okay, instead of really, calling people, now let's start. So today's brain activity would be, I would read some numbers and you have to keep your, keypad ready to quickly just type in. And it should be in a single string. Single string in the sense, like if I'm saying 1, 2, 3, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, or you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. But in a single string, the moment I stop, you have to stop. Hope that makes sense. I will read some numbers, and what you have to do, you have to quickly type in those numbers in the chat box. Mohiz, is it like your name or you have a different name? I would be adding you to Zair's team. Okay, so ready team? Yes, I would add you in. So Mohiz, hope I'm spelling you, like pronouncing you correct. Okay, so team, let's get started. What we're going to be doing? Anya, you are there in Arohi's team. Don't worry. Okay, we need one more person to be there, member to be there in Uzair's team. Otherwise, we are all set. So let's get started with the great team in front of us. I would read some numbers and you have to, it's my name. Okay, good. So we're going to be, welcome to Me and Math, Mohiz. And we're going to be starting with a quick brain activity. You have to keep your chat box ready. The numbers I'm reading, you have to quickly write them. The moment I stop, you have to drop. You have to send that chat to me. And you just need to, if you miss typing some numbers, just miss them. We will see how many numbers are you able to type in, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will have the first challenge of 10 numbers. Let's see how many can you pick, or all of the numbers if you can. So in 3, 2, 1, team A, team B, captains ready? Just drop a thumbs up. Captains ready? Okay, team members ready? Satish, Arya, Mohiz, Aradhya, Dhwani, Siddhi, Anya, all ready? Shall we launch it? Quick. Okay, that's great. Shivani, good afternoon, and you are there in Satish's team. And see Uzair's team. Okay, so okay, 3, 2, 1, go. So the numbers are, you have to quickly type, right? 4, 3, 12, 5, 7, 16, 18, 24, 19. Drop the message. Let's see who's going to be answering first. Quick. Quick. I won't read the string again. What you heard, you have to type in. If you forgot some numbers, no worries. Just drop in the string. जो numbers मैंने भी read किए हैं ना, you have to type those numbers in your chat box and drop. और आपको मेरे साथ ही type करना. It's like taking time. Quick, kids. जल्दी करो. I mean, all of you be quick. Oh, Anya, is it A? Sorry, Anya. Is it fine now? I can't see anyone's string. Just drop the string. Oh, Satvik, where were you last lesson? This on and off is not gonna be working, okay? Okay, so we've got the answer from Siddhi. Just Siddhi has dropped the string and but you were supposed to drop it. If you have it typed in, drop it here. Then only I'll be able to check. I think आप rules समझ नहीं पा रहे हो game के. I would be reading a string. आपको quickly type करना है and drop in here. Okay, very well done. Good job, Siddhi. Out of 10, you scored 7. You have 7 numbers correct. Anyone else who has the typed string, just drop in here. Otherwise, we will just see Siddhi. Okay, no worries. We will have it again. I will read the string. You have to listen to the string. It's listening, skills. Developing listening skills. So what I'm speaking, you have to quickly type in there. So for example, if I'm saying 1, just type 1. 5, type 5. 7, type 7. And the moment I stop, you have to drop the string. The 1, you just need to send the message, no? Something like that. Satish, you just wrote 8. That's not the entire string. So let's get started. If you're not able to understand, no, next lesson हम इसे continue करेंगे. Now it's like we should move back to our content part. Okay. Now I'm gonna be repeating the number. Keep your ears open, earlobes open. Okay. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And go. Yes, Siddhi, we've received yours. Now, our next round. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ready with your keypad? Chat box. Go. 35, 42, 96, 8, 14, 1, 6, 2, 12, 11. Just drop in there. I'm just counting till 10 and let's see how many of you drop the message here of the string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hi Nandini. Child's name please, or if it's Nandini only. It was not one by one, the entire string, exactly like Dwani. Okay, let me just check how many of you have answered it correct. Dwani, I'm marking your string correct. Okay. Let's see Arya's. Okay, let's see Anya's. So once I get all of you once you are all done, then I'll be telling you the score. Alok, I couldn't really see what you sent. Literally, see in your chat, can you see the string? I can't. Oh, really? Are you not gonna be talking to me? See the string? I didn't get your string. I didn't. I'm getting Anya's n number of times, but no Alok, no Aradhya string. Sorry. Okay, never mind. Now you're going to be marking your string. The first number was 35. The second number was 42. Just mark your string. Okay. Okay, drop it again then. Aradhya, drop it again. First number is 35. Second number is 42. Third number is 96. Okay, so Siddhi, your third number is not correct. Fourth number is 8. Fifth number is 14. Sixth number is 1. Then 6. Then 2. Then 12. Then 11. Many people have missed 2. But more or less, you've definitely got 9 out of 10. The very first one here was Dwani, Shivani, that means Satvik. Satvik, entire string is correct. Entire string is correct. Very well done, Satvik. Good job. Very good listening capacity. So when you listen best, you understand best, right? So this activity was to have a good listening power. Okay kids, we will have a very quick recap. Last lesson हमने क्या पढ़ा था? हमने पढ़ा था whole numbers के बारे में, natural numbers के बारे में, closure property के बारे में. Remember? So now you are going to be telling me one by one, and it would be the team captain. The question for team captain, we will be starting a quick revision of the previous thing, and team captains are going to be participating. No anyone else? You please wait. Let the team captain do the question. So team A, the first question, that means with the first question is for Captain Uzair and Captain Arohi. So team A, you have a question that what is the sum of the smallest whole number and the smallest natural number. Okay, this is the question for team A. Team B, your question, the Captain Arohi, your question is, the members, you answer but to yourself. Don't type anything here. What is and next lesson we'll be having something different. If you all are sitting, the students of me and math, your teachers would definitely have introduced the team round or the team relay, right? So we will have a quick glimpse of team relay. That is damn good, super interesting. We'll see it next lesson. What is the successor of the largest one digit natural number? Okay, we would literally, kids, over here, we are not sitting to drop any impression, right? We are just sitting to have our own thing, correct? have our own learning, own understanding. Even if we are making mistakes, we need to be very honest to us. We should not really see, yes, last lesson we discussed, we should not really touch any like AI or not go through internet when we are getting questioned. I mean, you have everything in your mind, you know. You have the super brain, super smart, super intelligent. You trust yourself. Don't trust any particular, you know, easy method to give you the answer. Right? So we have to make our brains smarter than any AI, internet, I mean anything. You believe yourself and try attempting it honestly. Okay, so dear team, entire team, these questions are only for the captains. Don't you feel like captain can answer? So let the captain answer. Okay. So we've got the answer from Uzair, and Uzair is saying 1 is the answer, and Arohi is saying 10. Okay. Now the question from team A and team B. That means Satish and Aradhya. Satish, I just want to know how many questions are hidden here. I mean, what are the steps to do this? So is it like if I say, okay, simply any question. Okay, what is the smallest 3-digit number? So you know that it is 100. It is one single question, isn't it? How many questions are hidden here to get the answer while Uzair was trying to get the answers? What all did he think? This is what I am trying to ask you. How many questions are hidden here? Right? You have to tell that to me. And Aradhya, you have to tell how many questions are hidden here in team B question. So when we are able to literally break down what the details are there in the question, we never come across language mistake like reading mistake, language error, those type of things. These are going to be the special lessons. Over here, we are not literally sitting to cover up anything, but we are going to be sitting to boost your morale, make you really have a quick recap, and obviously we will learn. That is definitely true, but in a different way, right? Your Me and Math lessons are covering entire curriculum. Over here, we would be literally seeing the beauty of what curriculum you are learning over there and how to advance that. Make sense? So Satish is saying 3 questions. Satish and Aradhya, how many questions did Arohi solve? How many questions did Arohi solve to get the final answer? I just want to know how many questions are hiding here, if you can understand my point. Okay, she is saying 2 questions. Okay, so I'm just writing it down, and based on your answering, I will give you the mark. Next team members we have Arya and Dhwani. Arya and Dhwani, be ready. They are saying, Arya, your team is saying there are 3 questions. I want you to tell me the first question over here. If you have 3 questions, what was the first question Uzair answered? What was the first question Uzair answered? Okay, I'm just zooming it out a bit. Hope you are still able to see that. I'm just trying to make it in the single frame. Okay. What was the first question Uzair answered? Pick the first question Uzair answered. Similarly, Dhwani, pick the first question Arohi answered. It was a question, what is the successor of the largest 1-digit natural number? So you have to find out what was the first question here. Just try writing the question here. Similarly, once Arya and Dhwani is done, not Satish, it is for Arya and Dhwani, right? Just trust your team. They all are very super smart, right? They will be answering. So you just delete your chat. Let them participate, please. Okay, Arya, what was the first question? And Dhwani, what was the first question Arohi answered? Similarly, Mohez, what was the second question Uzair answered? Okay, so Dhwani is saying, what is the successor? Okay. And Arya, we didn't get your answer. So there were 3 questions in here. There were 2 questions in here. And Dhwani is saying, what is the successor? Yeah, Dhwani, I've got that. What is the successor? And Arya, if you are there, please tell me. Please tell me what was the first question so that we can save our time. Okay, we can switch to Mohez if Arya is not there or maybe taking time. Mohez, just take the second question Uzair answered. What was the second question hiding here? Siddhi, what was the second question hiding here in your team's question? What was the second question hiding here? You have a strong team of many members. So obviously it wouldn't be Satish, it would be all the members. No, Satish? Then only the team is going to be stronger. Then only the team will be stronger, no? Okay, Mohez is not answering, Arya is not answering. Satvik, we would ask you, now you are the only one who can make the team win, but you need to answer, you need to figure out all 3 questions now. You need to figure out all the 3 questions Uzair answered to get the final answer. All the 3 questions to get the final answer. What all the 3 questions Uzair answered to get the final answer? Okay. Siddhi, we still are waiting for your question. What the second question you've seen in the question given to your team? आप जो क्वेश्चन टीम बी को गिवन है उसको फाइनल आंसर तक पहुंचने के लिए आपने कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व किया, लाइक हाउ मेनी स्टेप्स. फर्स्ट स्टेप में आपने क्या सॉल्व किया, किसका आंसर दिया, सेकंड स्टेप में क्या क्वेश्चन था, किसका आंसर दिया. It is something like that what I'm trying to ask you. I just want you to break down the question, see all the fragments, see all the small steps to achieve the final answer. Anya, if you are there, you are going to be taking the part instead of Siddhi. आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि सेकेंड क्वेश्चन कौन सा आरोही ने अटेम्प्ट किया है. लेट्स बी वेरी क्विक. Okay, Siddhi is, what is the largest 1-digit number? Okay, so as Siddhi, a little delay Siddhi I feel. Just refresh it once. What is the largest 1-digit natural number? No? Okay. So Satvik, are you ready with your string? You have typed the thing? Okay. So Satvik is saying, I'll change the ink. The first question Satvik has, okay. First question Satvik is saying, he will find the smallest whole number first. Okay. The second question he will solve to find out the smallest natural number. Okay. And the third question is the sum. Very well done. Very, very well done. Sum. No? Okay. Yes, Aradhya. Exactly. Very good point to understand. The first question can't be the successor. So, जब आप question देखते हो, अगर straight forward question नहीं है, these 2 questions are not the straightforward question. They are not asking for one information. They are asking for a multiple informations and then processing them. That means, जैसे हमने क्या बात की, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन को लेकर के चलते हैं. वेरी वेल डन सात्विक, गुड जॉब टू द एंटायर टीम, गुड जॉब टू द टीम बी एज वेल. सबसे पहले हम क्या करते हैं, वी लिटरली स्टार्ट, इंस्टेड ऑफ स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट पार्ट, वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम बैक. So we would be having the smallest natural number. This is our first question. So what we suggest, this is what your teachers would be suggesting at me and math. Isko hum one, we just underline and write it 1. We just underline and write it 2. And then we just underline and write it 3. The moment you are breaking your question like this, you are not gonna be doing any language error, any reading mistake. And you will definitely get the right answer. So this is what the practice we definitely should follow, right? Coming to the second question, अगर आप what is the successor, अगर आप successor के बारे में सोच रहे हो, but successor किसी number का होगा ना, so you should be aware of that number before we really find out the successor. तो हम फिर से वही काम करेंगे, we will start reading it from the back. So we have to find the largest 1-digit natural number. This is your first question, Aradhya. And then this is the successor. We have to find out the successor of the largest natural number. So 2 questions. So just tell me if you are able to understand and break it down in the same way. Next lesson, I'll be keeping a few more questions like this, and there would be just the breakdown. So you will be getting the homework tomorrow, and definitely sit to try doing that. You get entire week to finish your homework, no? So you're going to be sitting, and I don't really want any answer. And if you answer, that is good. But I want to see the breakdown of the question. These are mini, simple, approaches which are making us increase our math age. Whatever your actual age is, but just to figure out what our math age is. So we just try implementing these type of, logical attempts to make you literally be equivalent to your mathematical age as well. Okay, good. So are you all understanding? Just drop anything like a thumbs up, a heart, and a mood check. Is it really going to be very boring, like very slow pace? What type of lesson it is going? It's very important to know the audience poll. So audience, please just drop whatever you feel. If you feel like, ma'am, it's very boring, it's very lengthy, it's like stretching, doing nothing, just drop your mood here. Let's check the mood. Let's check the mood. And it would be good if you just explain, because you kids are, you kids are super smart, super fast. We people, older generations, many a times you're not able to understand your frequency. So you need to be a bit defining, like explanatory of your mood, right? I'm just waiting for a mood check. Okay, that's good. So if you all are pretty engaged, are we boring? That's not nice. Okay, let's make it interesting then. No problem. Because you're not getting challenges today, I'm understanding. Okay, so now we are going to be literally landing into the content. We are in the lesson, session 4 of number system. Hey, we have a quick challenge here. Mystery moment. What do you think? What do you think? Quick. We have a question here. Let's quickly solve that. I'm waiting for your answer. Done. If it is done, how would I be able to know it's done? That's also true. So how would you be able to tell me which sticks to move, right? That's little incomplete. Let's draw. I'm going to be dropping some numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the entire 7, the entire 8, the entire 9, the entire 10, the entire 11, the entire 12, the entire 13, the entire 14, the entire 15, the entire 16, the entire 17, the entire 18, the entire 19, the entire 20, the entire 21, the entire 22, the entire 23, the entire 24, the entire 25, the entire 26, the entire 27, the entire 28, the entire 29, the entire 30, the entire 31, the entire 32, the entire 33, the entire 34, the entire 35, the entire 36, the entire 37, the entire 38, the entire 39, the entire 40, the entire 41, the entire 42, the entire 43, the entire 44, the entire 45, the entire 46, the entire 47, the entire 48, the entire 49, the entire 50, the entire 51, the entire 52, the entire 53, the entire 54, the entire 55, the entire 56, the entire 57, the entire 58, the entire 59, the entire 60, the entire 61, the entire 62, the entire 63, the entire 64, the entire 65, the entire 66, the entire 67, the entire 68, the entire 69, the entire 70, the it should be a drop here, the entire 9, the entire 10, 11 and 12. So we have sticks like this. Now you tell me, just tell me the number, what sticks you're going to be removing to get 5 square. Move 2 matchsticks to get 5 square. 5 squares. Which 2 matchsticks? Interesting. I have a confusion. One and two. Okay, I've got the answer. So, our great mathematician Prince Satish is answering 1 and 2. The sweetest mathematician, Rohi, is answering 1 and 2. We have another junior mathematician answering 1 and 2, Anya. We have Aradhya, great mathematician, answering 1 and 2. Exactly. So where are you, madam? Dhwani. Exactly, that clicked in my mind. Why to move the stakes? But, actually we are thinking in a different way, I feel, Dhwani. Because we only want 5 squares. In that case, you have to think something. And kids, it's a super interesting question. You just want only 5 squares. Just think. Okay, fine. Now it's my turn. And when I get the chance to really explain, I feel very proud. I feel like competitive. You couldn't answer? Now that's my turn, right? Okay, so because we want 5 squares, let's keep only 5 squares here. Okay, I won't really break your heart. So here, move 2 matches to get 5 squares. If you are saying 1 and 2, that is 100% correct. If I say move 2 matches to get only 5 squares, if I just add the term only, what would you do? Yes, I've seen Dhwani. I've seen your chat. If you get only term there, if you are not moving any, I will explain you, madam. Don't worry. If we want only 5 squares, so the previous question was 2 matches you have to move to make minimum of 5 squares. Say for example something like that. These are, you literally are learning from everywhere, from your school, from me and math teachers, from your parents. Here, obviously I will be fueling your brain. What's the fuel of brain? We eat food to get energy. What gives our brain energy to work? Food is fine. What is the fuel for brain? Thoughts, thinking. If you're not thinking, your brain will stop working. Right? So I am here, a guide, a mentor for your brain to just keep pumping it fuel, right? Yes, madam. But over here, let's continue. So we're going to be, are you all like, just tell me, ma'am, we are giving up. 9 and 10. So who's 9 and 10? Arohi? If we drop 9 and 10, you're going to be getting only 2 squares formed, no? We want only 5 squares. Okay, Shivani is saying, okay, fine. So it's a big discussion point. Let's talk about this. What I feel, maybe I could be wrong, so you're going to be correcting me. Okay, we will be counting the squares. When the first question was 5 squares, that means minimum 5 squares. You were removing these two sticks. You've got the first square, the second square, the third square, the fourth square, the fifth square. And the bigger one, who would look at the biggie one? Who would look? Don't we have 6 squares here? Yes or no? Yes, Satvik, sorry. So when you are removing 1 and 2, you can actually see 6 squares here. Am I wrong? Now the next question was, move 2 matches to get only 5 squares. You were having, okay, hang on. You were having it something like this, isn't it? So this is the first square, this is the second square, this is the third square, this is the fourth square. And how about the big one? Which color should I take? Yellow, okay. How about this big square? That is also a square, no? When we are counting all the squares, when we are counting all the squares, we're going to be taking that square as well. Are we not going to be taking? Isn't that big square is there? Right? We took 4 matchsticks like this. That was our first square. We took 2 more matchsticks and placed them like this. That made, initially it was 4 square. That made 4 more squares to be there. And when the question comes, move 2 matches to get 5 squares minimum, then 1 and 2 is fine. I mean, you could get more squares that time. But when it is only 5 squares, obviously you're going to be removing any of them, like either 4 and 5 or 5 and 6, because we would remove 1 square from here. And only these 5 squares are going to be there. Yes, 6 and 5. That makes sense? Okay. So hope it literally twisted your brain, and that is what I want. So my mission accomplished. Good job. Good job, team. Roman numerals, conversion, comparing, and ordering. Why do these people give a lot to teach, a lot to learn? Well, I feel like you will be knowing most of the things. Over here, we have such a sweet mnemonic written. Why this Y is not bold? It should be bold only, no? Oh, it shouldn't be there actually. Go out. I value xylophones like cows do milk. Team A, team B, what stands for I? Just quickly tell me. What stands for I? What stands for V? What stands for X? What stands for L? What stands for C? What stands for D? And what this M is? Quick. I value xylophones like cows do milk. I value xylophones like cows do milk. 1. Good job. We. Arohi, you didn't tell about we. First is I and then X. Quick. Yes. Shivani started. I mean, how would I be able to know? Don't just really think me to be knowing everything. I'm sitting with you to learn things. I mean, you are randomly writing 1, 5. Where should I write? Should I write 500 here? Kids, just look at me. I'm younger than you when it comes to compare brains. Please help me. Okay, thank you so much, Twani. V stands for 5. So do you all think V stands for 5? Okay, I will be writing. See, this is not going to be working. It's not literally fair. अगर आप इस तरह से पढ़ाओगे तो ये बिल्कुल भी अच्छी बात नहीं है. आपको मुझे बताना पड़ेगा कि x क्या है. What this x thing is. I is 1. Okay, I wrote that. I also know. V is 5. X, how about X? See, Satish, you are testing me. 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 1000. What about that? Shall I write it like, okay, 5, 10, 50, 100, 500, 5,000 and 5,000. Like, this is what you're trying to tell me. No, no, no. You all are scaring me. You are not helping me. You all are not helping me to really understand Roman numerals. Okay, I've got X. See Arohi, Captain Arohi, how supportive she is. Arohi, do you have any chance to really give me a few lessons? थोड़ी सी मैथ्स मैम को पढ़ा दो. You're a very clear teacher, no? I mean, clearly teaching concepts. सात्विक, आप मुझे डरा रहे हो. मतलब ये क्या है? VLD can never be repeated or subtracted. I mean, I really don't know what these things are, what alphabets are. अब आप मुझे बताने लग गए noun, pronoun, adjectives, adverbs. I mean, that is not nice. मैम आपसे बिल्कुल बात नहीं करेंगी. मैम आरोही को फॉलो करेंगी. आरोही, नेक्स्ट इज L, that is 50. Okay, Dhwani is also saying X is 50. X is 50? Dhwani? Dhwani, X is 50? Anya, X is 10. 10. Dhwani, I won't learn. I won't go to your lesson. Sorry. C, I'm following Captain. 100. D, okay. Now Satvik has started. C is 100. And Satvik is saying D is 500. But I also need the confirmation from others. Yeah, Satvik, I saw that. M is 1000. So this is what Satvik is saying. Before me really decide, or let me tell my parents I want one teacher from this chat, I need some, people to really verify that this is correct. So Arohi is saying 1000. Satvik is also saying 1000. How about you, Uzair? Are you not there? Uzair, the great Uzair, with all the details. I equals 1, V equals 5, X equals 10. Okay, Uzair, I think I have good options at me in math, right? So I is 1, Okay, beautiful, wonderful, brilliant. So kids, how about you giving me a question or I give you a question? We have 55 minutes left. 55 minutes done. 5 minutes left. Don't you feel like this TikTok goes really quickly when we are sitting together? M is Anya, M is 1000. Okay, I feel like this string is 100% correct. Nice. Now if I say, I saw one of the teacher, let me just be very open to you. You are my, very close friends and guide, and really, I can talk to you about anything. One of the teacher was telling me, ma'am, for grade 3, it's harder to really, go back from Roman numerals to Hindu Arabic numbers. So it was like, X, 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 V, I. So, I mean, how to really explain them? How to get the easier method to explain them without any, weight of information, knowledge. उन्हें ऐसा भी ना लगे कि ये कितना difficult है. We are really not able to get it. So कोई ऐसा method जो बिल्कुल clear हो. I mean, the method that should be very clear. I can help teachers to understand, and they are going to be helping students to understand. I mean, you are telling me, no, I don't want the answer. I just want the logic behind. कैसे हम इसको simpler बना सकते हैं 3rd grade के लिए? Okay. I mean, when it is 38, they are literally quite confident. They just break it 30 plus 8. 30 goes for XXX and 8 goes for this. But when it comes in a string like this, they are like clueless. So 3 times 3x means 30. Okay, makes sense. Makes sense, Satvik. हम 30 लिख सकते हैं. And v is 5. And this is 3. I don't know. I'm not really getting the best feeling. You know, second grade, third grade, they are very juniors, very younger. अगर आपको चांस मिलता है उन्हें पढ़ाने का, how would you be handling the lessons? You know, आप मेथड सोच करके रखो. नेक्स्ट लेसन हम फिर से डिस्कस करेंगे. आई जस्ट वॉन्ट you to get something that is going to be making their life literally easier. Say for example, if the question comes lx x vii, so they shouldn't be puzzled. They should be able to easily filter it out. तो क्या करना चाहिए हमें? So that is what the end of the session for the day. Next lesson, I would really look forward to you to share something to me. And if you get anything done बिफोर द लेसन्स, अगर आपको कोई भी लॉजिक, कोई भी मेथड समझ आता है, आप उसका छोटा सा वीडियो बना करके CSM को शेयर कर सकते हैं. शी विल बी शेयरिंग विद मी, राइट? करेक्ट? Thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much for being here. This is the golden time when I sit with you. You know, I really, really wait for this time. And I hope you do the same. So see you next week. Next lesson. I just want Team A, Team B to be really staying over there and just make other students joining it. Right? We should have a very strong, like, जब evaluation हो तो सबसे ज़्यादा audience grade 5, grade 6 की हो, जो पूजा मैम को सपोर्ट करती है, राइट? बाय सात्विक, बाय ध्वनि, बाय आरोही, बाय आन्या, बाय उजैर, बाय मोहिज, बाय सतीश, बाय आर्या. सी, आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू रिकॉल द नेम्स. बाय आराध्या. डिड आई मिस एनीवन? I'm pretty sure you would be annoyed a lot if I'm missing you here. I didn't miss anyone except, I mean, captains, I can't miss you, you know, Uzair and Arohi. Bye-bye. It was really a great time sitting with you. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers again. Bye-bye.